What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? No, this isn't a scam. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius or own a mansion. In this video, I'm going to reveal real, proven strategies to earn passive income, the kind of income that works for you even when you're not working. So grab a notebook, because your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Story: let me take you back a few years. I was stuck in a cycle: work, eat, sleep, repeat. And every time I stopped working, my income stopped too. One day, I came across a quote that changed everything. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Warren Buffett. That hit me hard, so I started digging, testing, failing, and finally succeeding. Now, I have multiple income streams that pay me, yes, even while I sleep. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. What is passive income? Let's clear one thing up: passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing the work once, then getting paid again and again. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it now, and one day, it grows fruit every season. Here are 7 powerful ways to start earning passive income in 2025, even if you're starting with little to no money. Strategy 1: digital products. Create an ebook, a template, or an online course. Sites like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy let you sell digital goods 24/7. You make it once, and it keeps selling. No inventory, no shipping. Strategy 2: affiliate marketing. Promote products you believe in. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, Impact, or ShareSale. Post reviews, blogs, or YouTube videos, and earn commission every time someone buys through your link. Strategy 3: YouTube channel. Yes, even a channel like this one. Your old videos keep working even while you're off the grid, literally making money in your sleep. Strategy for a print-on-demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with platforms like Printful or Redbubble. They handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You focus on creativity, they handle the rest. Strategy 5: a rental income, even without owning property. Don't have a house? Try renting out your car, camera gear, or even storage space on platforms like Turo or Neighbor. It's smart, simple, and scalable. Strategy 6: dividend stocks and ETFs. This one's for long-term thinkers. Invest in companies that pay you quarterly dividends. Use apps like Robinhood, Wealthsimple, or Bamboo in Africa. Let your money work while you rest. Strategy 7: sell an online course or skill. If you know something valuable, teach it. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or even WhatsApp classes can bring in recurring income, especially if your content solves a real problem. Look, none of this is a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and strategy. But once you set up the systems, they work even when you don't. So ask yourself, what will you do today that pays you tomorrow? If this video gave you value, drop a comment below. Which of these passive income ideas are you going to try first?